There are people waiting for you to explode because it would make their lies look honest. They push, they poke, they whisper near the wound, hoping you break. See, that is the trap. If they make you act ugly once, they will use it to erase years of character. They will not show what they did before. They will not show the disrespect, the pressure, the prayers you made instead of replies. They show your fire and hide the match. So do not give them that gift. Not because you are weak, not because you are afraid, because you finally understand power. Real power is not always loud. Real power sits still while foolishness begs for attention. And they hate that. They hate a person who does not explain. They hate a clean heart in a dirty room. They hate patience with a pulse. They hate a soul that trusts God more than gossip. They hate when their little story needs your reaction to stay alive and you refuse to feed it. Be careful with your energy. Not everyone deserves access to your defense. Some are not confused. They are committed to misunderstanding you. Let them. Keep your manners. Keep your work. Keep your prayer. Keep your distance. Eventually, what was hidden starts walking by itself. And when they notice you are not coming back to explain, they will call your peace pride. Let them. People who enjoyed your pain resent your recovery. Do not return to the fire because someone pretends to be cold. Some doors are locked because God heard conversations you were not there. Trust that protection. You wanted justice to arrive loud, with thunder, with everyone watching. But sometimes justice comes quietly. It comes as distance. It comes as sleep returning. It comes as no longer checking who believed them. Victory. And yes, they may smile now. They may act unbothered. They may gather little people around lies and call it power. But a lie needs maintenance. Truth does not. A lie must be fed, repeated, defended. Truth sits in the dark and breathes. Stop shaking the bars of a cage God already opened. Walk out, quietly. No speech. No final message that gives them one more piece of your heart to twist. Leave clean. Because the most dangerous version of you is not angry. It is not begging. It is not trying to be understood by people who profit from confusion. The most dangerous version of you is focused, silent, patient, untouchable. Keep building while they talk. Keep healing while they guess. Keep praying while they perform. One day, mouths that buried your name will watch you rise. That will disturb them more than revenge. Do not rush the answer. Let days gather evidence. Let God handle what anger cannot touch. Stay clean. And listen. The reason you must not hurry is because pain makes you dramatic. Pain wants a witness, a verdict, a final sentence. But healing teaches something colder. Not everyone needs to see the knife to believe the wound. Some people respect your silence after they lose access to your noise. They loved when you explained. They loved when you panicked. They loved those long messages, shaking, bleeding, trying to prove you were not the monster they described. That was food to them. So starve the story. Do not correct every liar. Do not answer every fake concern. Do not open your private pain for inspection. A clean soul does not need to undress in front of dirty eyes. Let them think they won because you walked away. Let them call your distance cold. Let them call maturity fear. People who live by reaction cannot understand restraint. They mistake peace for defeat. Keep your tongue guarded. Keep your chest steady. Keep your hands away from what God removed. You are not losing people. You are losing noise. You are losing confusion. You are losing rooms where your heart shrank. And when you stop shrinking, they will say you changed. Of course you changed. You stopped passing your soul through doors too small. You stopped begging for mercy from people who counted mistakes and ignored patience. Discipline is not revenge. Revenge is easy. One message, one exposure, one ugly reaction. But discipline is standing beside truth while your ego screams. Discipline is saying, God knows, and resting. Let the days work. Let the mask get heavy. Let their words chase them. Do not drag them into light. Darkness reveals itself when excuses die, and you keep becoming undeniable. Build so quietly they cannot hear the repair, only result. Heal so deeply their name no longer moves your breathing. Stay quiet. Stay clean. Stay impossible to pull back into old storm. When the storm gets bored of your silence, it will try a new costume. It will come as nostalgia. It will come as, I hope you were well, from the same hands that made you sick. Not every apology is repentance. Sometimes it is a key looking for an old door. Sometimes it is curiosity wearing kindness. Sometimes they do not miss you. They miss control they had when you explained pain. Do not confuse mercy with permission. You can forgive and still not return. You can pray and still protect your peace. God does not ask you to keep bleeding to prove your heart is clean. They love calling boundaries bitterness. They love saying, you changed, as if growth is a crime. Yes, you changed. You stopped giving your neck to those who admired the blade. Let the past knock. Let it stand outside. Let it hear no footsteps coming. Some chapters are not meant to be reopened. Some are meant to be remembered with a locked door. This is where they get confused. They expected revenge. They expected noise. They expected collapse they could screenshot. But you gave them silence. You gave them distance. That terrifies empty people. Keep your life private. Stop announcing every wound. Stop explaining every scar. The right people will not need a court case to treat you gently. The wrong people will use your tears. So breathe. Slowly. Let your chest learn safety again. Let your mind stop rehearsing arguments with ghosts. Let your hands stop reaching for doors that closed to save you. You are not late. You are not ruined. You are being rebuilt. where they cannot enter. Quietly, painfully, honestly. One day, without a speech, your life will answer clearly. Their lie will feel embarrassed. Stay disciplined, stay humble, stay unseen. Let God witness the parts they mocked. Let patience sharpen you without poisoning you. Do not become loud because they are empty. There will be nights when your own mind betrays you. It will replay the disrespect like a dirty little film, scene after scene, word after word. You will almost reach for the phone. Almost. Do not. That urge is not wisdom. That is the old wound asking for the old poison, because pain is familiar. You are not being called back, you are being tested. Stay where peace is trying to find you. Some people will never admit what they did because admitting it would destroy the costume they wear in public. So they will keep smiling. They will keep pretending. They will keep speaking softly after doing cruel things loudly. Let them wear it. Masks get heavy, very heavy, especially when God lets life ask questions no mouth can escape. You do not need to expose them. A fake heart eventually explains itself by accident. This is why you must not dirty your hands. Not now. Not when you are this close to becoming free. Anger will promise relief, but it charges interest. One ugly reaction can become a prison with your name on it. And they would love that. They would love to say, "See, we told you." They would love one moment of madness to cover months of their behavior. Do not give actors a final scene. Let them be the loud ones. Let them keep explaining. Let them keep editing truth until even they forget the original. You keep your soul simple. Pray, work, heal, sleep, rise, repeat. That is warfare too. I know. It hurts when people believe the wrong version. It feels unfair when your silence is punished and their performance is praised. But a crowd is not proof. Noise is not truth. Popular lies are still